Looking for an easy, non-candy Valentine idea for school? This Soda Pop Valentine Printable is a versatile gift holder that comes together in under a minute and works perfectly for classroom exchanges. In this video, I will show you how to personalize and assemble the Soda Pop Valentine Printable step by step. I will also show you different ways to use it, whether you want to attach a keychain, insert a gift card, or sticker sheet. Now, let's get to it. This printable is text editable in Canva, and you don't need any design experience at all. All the text is already set up for you, so you're simply clicking into the text box and typing your child's name or adding a short personalized message for an extra special touch. Canva works directly in your browser, so there's nothing to install, and you can edit it on your computer, tablet, or phone if needed. And when you're ready to download, just click the share button in the top right-hand corner, choose download, and select PDF print for the best quality before printing. For the best result, I recommend printing the Soda Pop Valentine Printable on 8.5 by 11 inches white cardstock. Cardstock works especially well if you're attaching something heavier like a keychain because it helps the printable hold its shape. Step 1. Print the Soda Pop Valentine Printable. Each page prints 2 designs to keep the printing cost low. Step 2. Cut out the soda can. The design is simple, so cutting goes quickly, even if you're making a full class set. Step 3. Option 1. If you're using this as a keychain holder, simply punch a hole and attach your keychain. Step 3. Option 2. If you're using a gift card or sticker sheet, make a small slit and slide in the gift. That's it! One printable, multiple ways to use it. Whether you're attaching a keychain or slipping in a gift card, it stays lightweight and easy for kids to carry and hand out. You can download this printable instantly and start printing today.